Hello folks, my name's Dave Schulke and I'm Jim Schulke. We're with the Twin Home Experts. Welcome to our 2 Hack Tuesday, where we provide you 2 hacks every Tuesday, making your life a little easier. Folks, are you tired of holding a bunch of nails while you're trying to hammer? Well, today I've got the hammer hack for you. Are you tired of calling friends and family about watering your plants while you're away? Well, I've got the water hack for you. Isn't that frustrating? No, it's not. All you need is a strong magnet. Take it and apply it to the side of the hammer. And then get your nails, put them over the magnet, and look, hands free. You simply grab a nail from the magnet. Look at that, folks. So much easier. All right, folks, so all you're gonna need is a drill bit, water bottle. You're going to need a box or something, a couple books perhaps. You always want the water to be higher than your actual plant, because I'll show you exactly how it's going to work with gravity. Depending on the size of the plant, of course, will depend on the size of the water container that's going to disperse into the plants, and also depending on how long you're going to be gone. So what I did in this case is I went ahead and pre-cut. You're going to go ahead and put the string inside, and then what's important is to make sure you get the right string, because this has to absorb, and then you're going to create a pocket inside the planter bed here. Make sure it goes in there nice and tight. And so over time, after a couple of hours, you're going to see that the water will absorb into the string and then right into the plant. The other way to water is you grab the water bottle, create a little hole like this, create a little indentation inside the planter pot like this. So that's another way, again, depending on how many days you're going to be gone. There you go. Hello folks, thanks for hanging out with us on our 2 Hack Tuesday. If we can help you hack your life, please comment down below. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.